Fixture. Fixture is a process of arranging the team in a systematic orders in various groups for competitive fight for physical activity. Means fixtures is a fixed schedules where a date, day and time are mentioned. In fixture, first we arrange the team in a systematic orders for competitive fight, and there is a competitions between the players as per the fixture in a systematic schedule. This is known as fixture. Knockout tournament. It is a tournament in which a team continue to play for the match as per the schedule till defeated. That is, a team get eliminated to play further if defeated or lost. Means if a team defeat once, means if a team lost the match, he will immediately get eliminated from the match and is not given another chance to play in knockout tournament. Advantage of knockout tournament. The first advantage is economical tournament. In knockout tournament, there are less number of match as compared to others. So knockout tournament is economical tournament. There will be the less match because the team which lost the match, he is eliminated from the tournament. He will not get another chance. So less number of match, and therefore knockout tournament is economical tournament. Less time. In knockout tournament, we can finish the tournament in less time, thus easy to conduct. We can complete the match in a less time. Good team emerge winner. In this tournament, we can eliminate weak team. Therefore, we can bring a good team. Less tiredness to the player. As there are less number of match in knockout tournament, therefore there will be the less stress or tiredness to the player as well as to the organizer. Spectators interest means audience interest. In this tournament, spectators interest is high because a weak team is eliminated in the first round only, as well as um, as well as and there is no repetition of competition between the players. Therefore, the interest of the spectators is high in knockout tournament. Disadvantage of knockout tournament. First disadvantage is good team may get eliminated. In knockout tournament, good team may get eliminated and weak team may come ahead. For example, if there is a competition between good team in a first round only, um, then then a good team then one good team may get eliminate from the tournament in first round only if there is a competition between a good players, and if there is a competition between a weak team in a first round, then one weak players will come back to the second round. Therefore, this is the disadvantage of knockout tournament. Second is skill selections not possible. In knockout tournament, good selections of player is not possible as good players may lose their match in initial match. जैसे कि जैसे कि मैंने बताया, if a good if in the first round only, if a good team, if there is a competition between a good team, then a good team may get eliminated in the first round only. Therefore, the skill selections is not possible in knockout tournament because he will not get another chance to show his skill. High stress on players. In this tournament, every match is do or die condition, thus very stressful to the players, because in knockout tournament, if a team lost the match, he will eliminate from the tournament. Therefore, he have to give his best. Therefore, each and every match is do or die condition match. Therefore, there is high stress on player. These are demerits, disadvantages of knockout tournament. League or round robin tournament. League tournament, or we can say round robin tournament. In this system of tournament, every team has to play with every other teams, irrespective of win or defeat or draw. चाहे वो हारे जीते या फिर मैच ड्रॉ हो, every team has to play with every other team. League tournament. Type of league tournament. There are three type of league tournament: single league tournament, double league tournament, and combination type tournament. Next is advantage of league tournament. The first advantage of league tournament is ample opportunity. In league tournament, every team has to play with every other's team. Thus, it provides ample or maximum opportunity to show their talent. If the team lost the match, he will get another chance. Therefore, the team and therefore he will get maximum chance to show their talent. चाहे वो हारे या जीते, he will get second chance to show his talent. So league tournament give ample opportunity to show his skill. True winner. League tournament helps to provide the true or real winner um, at the end. At the end, thus deserving team come up strongly. True winner. Because if a good player lost the match by chance, if he lost the match in the first round, he will get second chance to show his skill. Therefore, true winners can be possible in league tournament. Improve the performance. It provides good experience to team to overcome their lacking, thus helps to improve performance. Because in league tournament, every team has to play with every other's team. Therefore, therefore there is therefore it helps to improve his performance. He has to play with every other's team. Therefore, it helps to improve his skill, his performance. Skill skill selection. League tournaments helps to provide good selection of players or team. Provide ranking. At the end of league tournament, every team gets the ranking, thus they can evaluate themselves. Player interest. Good players develop interest and show high performance because if he lost because if a good team lost in the first round only, he will get second chance to show his skill. He will not demoralize. Therefore the player interest is more in league tournament. Disadvantage of league tournament. Disadvantage of league tournament. Time consuming. As the number of matches are more, thus more time consuming. In this league tournament, every team has to play with every other's team. Therefore, there is too many competition. Therefore, time consuming. Therefore, more time is required in league tournament. Large arrangement. League tournament required large amount of arrangement like large amount of arrangement like more playground, more officials, more finance, etc. Because the competition is more, because there are too much competition in league tournament. Therefore, we need more playground, more officials, more money, etc. Less interest of spectators, less interest of audience. In league tournament, spectators, audience interest, audience show less interest because the team get second chance. The demoralize weak team. In this tournament, weak teams often lose interest due to repeated loss of match and get psychologically demoralized. If a weak team continuously lost the match again and again, he will be psychologically demoralized. More expensive. League tournament is more expensive as there are large number of match. Therefore, large requirement of officials, arrangement, etc. We require more fun, more match, more playground, more time consuming. Therefore, this league tournament is more expensive as compared to knockout tournament. Knockout fixture procedure. How to draw knockout fixtures? Let first we take even number. Procedure to draw knockout fixture for even numbers. Total team 8. Write it 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Then we divide the team in two half. So played in upper half n upon 2, then 8 upon 2, 4. And team in lower half 8 upon 2, 4. Total match in knockout fixture is n minus 1. Means n. Total team 8 minus 1. Total match is 7. Then team in upper half 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide it into two half. And 1, 2, 3, 4 lower half. This is upper half. This is lower half. Then there will be the competition between 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Competition between 1 and 2. Let 1 win. Competition between 3 and 4. Let 4 win. Competition 5 and 6. Let 5 win. 7 and 8. Let 8 win. This is first round. Now in second round there will be the competition between 1 and 4. Let 4 win. And 5 and 8. Let 5 win. This is second round. And then last fourth and fifth competition between 4 and 5th. Let 5 win. This is winner. This is first round, second round, third round. In first round, first and second fight competition between 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. First round. And in second round, the winner of first round. Winner and winner. And in second round, the winner of second round go to third round, and then this is the winner. This is the process to draw knockout fixture. Let we take another examples of even numbers. Total team total team 6. Then player team in upper half is n upon 2. 6 upon 2, 3. Team in lower half n upon 2, 6 upon 2, 3. Write 16. And total match is equal to n minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1. Total match 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide the team in two half. In first half there will be 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3. Upper half, lower half. In this condition 6. In this condition we will give by, because there is a 16. For example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Competition 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And next what will we do? Therefore in this condition we will give by, or you can say that if there is 5 player, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there will be competition between 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 5 किसके साथ fight करेगा? So in this condition we will give by. By is a sort of privilege given to a team to play directly in a second round, or we can say by is also given to adjust the fixture. The persons or the team which get by, he will not play in the first round. He will directly play in the second round. By is um, highest next highest power of 2 minus total team will give by 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Total team is 6. To next highest power of 2 is 8, so by is 8 minus 6, we will give 2 by, and the 2 by, how we will give by, first by, always remember that first by we will give to of lower half last player of lower half, second by first player of upper half, if, and third by upper half of lower half, and fourth by last team of upper half. First, second, first by, second by, third by, and fourth by. If there is fifth by, then we will give here fifth by. If there is sixth by, we will give here sixth by. But here there is only two by, therefore first by we will give here, second by we will give here, and there will be a competition between 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. The winner of 2, 1 will directly go to the second round, and then the winner of first round, this is first round, winner of first round, let 2 will be winners. Then there will be a competition between 1 and 2, and here's there will be competition between 4 and 5, let 5 win, and 6 get by, 6 को by मिला, so he will go direct to the second round. And in second round there will be the second round. In second round there will be the competition between 1 and 2 and 5 and 6. Let 1 and 2 win, and here 5 and 6, let 6 win. And in this is third round. In third round there will be the competition between 2 and 6. Let 6 win. 6 win. This is the procedure to draw knockout fixtures. Always remember that by is given next highest power of 2 minus total team 2, 4, 8, 16. If the total team is 7, then by will be the next highest power of 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Next highest power of 2 is 8. 8 minus 7, we will give 1 by. If 9, if there is total team is 9, then we will give by highest power of 2 is 16. 16 minus 9, 7 by. This is the process to give by. And always remember that by in upper half is by minus 1 upon 2, and by in lower half is by plus 1 upon 2. This is the process to give by. Let we take example. Let we take one examples for odd number team. Total team in upper half n plus 1 upon 2, 5 plus 1 upon 2, 3. Team in lower half n minus 1 upon 2, 5 minus 1 upon 2, 2. And total by total team is 5, 16, 32, and so on. Next highest power 2 is 8, so 8 minus 5, we will give 3y. Total 5 team. 1 2 3 4 5. Team in upper half 3. 1 2 3. Divide the team in two part, upper half, lower half. Then we will give 3y. So first by last player of lower, first player of upper half, second by, third by last player of upper half, third by. अगर फोर्थ बाय देना होगा then we will give last player of upper half, but there is only 3 by, then we will give 3 first, second, third, and then there will be the competition between 2 and third in first round. One will directly go to the second round, and there will be competition between 2 and 3. Let 2 win. 4 will directly go to the second round. 5 also directly go to the second round. Second round, competition between 1 and 2. Let 1 win. Competition between 4 and 5. Let 4 win. And in third round, there will be the competition between 1 and 4. Let 4 win. So 4 is the winner. This is the knockout fixture for odd team. Method to draw fixture for odd number. Let total team 11. Let total team is 11. Then total match is 11 minus 1, 10. Player in upper half is n. N means total players. Total player is 11. 11 plus 1 upon 2, 12 upon 2, 6. Player in lower half, 11 minus 1 upon 2, 10, 5. By is given next highest power of 2 minus total team. That is 11 next highest power of 2 is 16. Then by total by is 16 minus 11. We will give 5 by, and by in upper half is by minus 1 upon 2, 5 minus 1 upon 2, 2. By in lower half, 5 plus 1 upon 2, 3. Always remember that player in upper half is always more than lower half, and by is always more in lower half than upper half. हमेशा ये ध्यान रखिए कि प्लेयर ऊपर ज्यादा होती है और नीचे कम होती है, लेकिन बाय ऊपर कम होती है और बाय नीचे ज्यादा होती है. सो टोटल प्लेयर इज 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We will divide the team in two half. Player in upper half 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is upper half, and lower half is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Total by in upper half में we will give 2 by, and in lower half we will give 3 by. So in this is first quarters, this is second quarters, and here's also we will get 2 by. Then in this condition we will divide one more time. We will divide. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6. There is total 6 player. Then team in upper half is n plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 6 plus 1 upon 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Upper half 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is even, so team in upper half is n upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. We will divide it into 2 half. 3 in up, 3 in down. So 2 by first by we will give last player up of lower half. Second by first first player of upper half. If अगर third by होगा then we will give first player of lower half, and अगर fourth by होगी तो हम last player of upper half. This is the process. Then in first round there will be the competition between 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. One will directly go to the second round, and let winner of first round is 2. And here 4 will directly, let 5 competition between 4 and 5, and 6 will directly go to the second round. In second round there will be the competition between 1 and 2, 4 and 6. Let winner of second round is 2, and let 6. So in third round there will be the competition between 2 and 6. Let 6 win. Same here also. In lower half also there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total team is 5. 5 is odd. So team in upper half is n plus 1 upon 2 is 6 plus 1 up 5 plus 1 upon 2 is 6 upon 2 3, and in lower half n minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2. So 1 2 3, 3 in upper half, 2 in lower half. In lower half we will give 3 by, so first by, second by, and third by. In first round there will be competition between 8 and 9. 7 will directly go to the second round. Let 8 win. And here's 10 and 11, they will directly go to the second round. Let in second round 7 and 8 competition between 7 and 8. Let 8 win, and here's let 10 win. And in third round there will be competition between 8 and 11. Let 10 win. And here's winner of upper half and winner of lower half. Competition between winner of upper half and winner of lower half. Let 10 win. 10 is the winner of this tournament. This is the method to draw knockout fixture.